friends, it's Maisie and Mila here.
We just got back from spring break.
We were staying at this cabin in southern Illinois.
And we heard about this really cool place.
A place with something special.
Can you guess what? Snakes!
There's a place in southern Illinois that's famous for snakes.
It's called Snake World.
So of course we had to go check it out.
But did we actually find any snakes?
Come on, we'll show you what we really found. We're in southern Illinois at a place called Snake Road. Every spring and fall, thousands of snakes migrate across this road behind me. You heard that right. Thousands.
This is the only road in the whole world that they code for snake migration 2 times a year.
This place is one of the kind. So,
let's go find some snakes.
But we did have to be careful.
There's more than 20 kinds of snakes here.
And 3 of them are venomous. So we have to be careful where we put our feet. But we don't have to be scared.
Snakes don't attack people.
They'll only bite you if you scare them and get too close. So with that in mind, we headed off down Snake Road. And we walked. And we walked. Then we walked some more.
Where are all the snakes?
Then finally, we found something.
But it wasn't a snake.
It was a frog. This place is known for snakes.
But it's not just snakes that live here. There are also frogs,
Turtles,
lizards,
salamanders,
and toads.
Alright, now at least we've seen one creature here. Back on the road. Then we walk some more. We've been walking for a little while now, and so far we only seen one frog. But the sun is getting warmer, and it's hitting the road now, so hopefully we'll see some soon. Why would the sun hitting the road make it more likely for us to see snakes? Snakes are cold-blooded. That means they can't make their own heat. So we're most likely to find them in sunny spots over here, getting their heat from the sun.
And lucky for us, those sunny spots started to pay off.
Finally, we found one. This little guy is a decayed brown snake. He's not venomous. A cool fact about these guys is that they have a specialized jaw that lets them pull snails out of their shells so they could eat them. Bye-bye, little brown snake.
Time to see what else we can find.
Okay, we have to answer one really important question. Why did the snake cross the road? The answer is over here. And over there. The landscape is the answer to that question. Snakes like to spend the summer in the swamps on one side of the road. That's where all the things they like to eat are, like fish, frogs, and bugs. But when winter comes around, snakes cross the road so they can hibernate in the rocky bluffs on the other side of the road. They slither into the cracks where it stays a little bit warmer. And they spend the whole winter there. Sometimes lots of snakes all curl up together to help keep each other warm. Then in spring, they head back across the road to spend the summer in the swamps.
And that's the best time to see them.
So back to our nature quest. It was almost lunchtime now, so they turned around and head back for the car.
And that was when things started to get interesting.
First, I found a caterpillar crossing the road. And after snapping a few pictures of that, we moved it to the side of the road where it wouldn't get stepped on by all the people here who are looking for snakes.
And then we saw the first butterfly.
This is a common butterfly. They hibernate in the dry roots. That was why this was awake so early. Then we saw another butterfly. This one's a spring azure. There's always one of the first butterflies that wake up after winter. And side note, the spring azure looks a lot like another butterfly we love, the Karner blue. We have a whole show about them. The link is down below. Then as we kept heading back to the car, we saw another spring azure.
It was flying in circles around my head.
And then it headed for my feet.
This butterfly likes me. I think it likes feet. Something actually landed on my foot. There was a butterfly on my foot.
So after meeting the butterfly with the foot fetish, we passed a couple more frogs. And some ducks on the way back to the car. Plus something swimming in the water. Not sure if this was a beaver or muskrat. And when we got back to the car, there's another butterfly waiting for us.
So I grabbed our lunch from the car, but then we had to get through a swarm of spring azures.
Finally, it's lunchtime. But the butterflies weren't done with us yet. This butterfly actually joined us for lunch.
I think we wanted our chips.
We also saw a whole bunch of turkey vultures staying in the bluffs near us. These guys may look a little creepy, but they're actually good guys to have around. They help keep things clean and prevent the spread of disease.
So we are happy to see them around.
After lunch, we went to check out a trail that goes up on top the bluffs over Snake Road. And the very first thing we saw...
Hi, butterfly. Oh, I see one right there. Yep, another butterfly. Then we head up the trail. And we found something else. Look, there's a teeth sticking out like this.
Well, that's definitely not a snake. But it is cool. Now, where are all the snakes?
Then we found something a little different. A little brown lizard climbing a tree.
That's a little closer to a snake.
Alright, so we've been walking for like 3 hours and we only seen one snake, a couple of frogs, a lizard, and a lot of butterflies. Right now, I think this should be called Butterfly Road, but we'll try a little bit more this afternoon. Onward we went. Look, there's Snake Road.
But seriously, we need to find at least one more snake.
Alright, now we're at the other end of Snake Road. Let's try again.
Here, Snakey, Snakey, where are you? And then,
There's a ladybug on me.
I love ladybugs, but it's still not a snake. I guess she likes the back of my fingers. Off we went again.
Then finally, we got lucky.
There's a snake up there.
And not just any snake. This one is a cottonmouth. A big one. It's venomous.
We're gonna look at this one from a distance. Cottonmouths get their name from the white color inside their mouth. And they show that color as a warning not to get too close. So we're gonna stay over here.
So glad we found another snake.
So that wraps up our nature quest on Snake Road.
Why do we only see 2 snakes?
It's probably because there's actually a lot of people there, and they were probably scaring them away before we got there. But even though we only saw 2 snakes, it was still a really awesome nature quest. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye!